to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be going to the beach with my friends today. Just did my hair actually like a second ago. It's kind of light. So we actually got there for like 11. It's still kind of early, so I'm so under the weather. So I just have on pink, and then I usually wear my short jeans pants like in the water. I don't usually change my pants. I brought a change of pants and I don't think I'll change it, but we'll see. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I reach in the car with them or when I reach at the beach. I'll probably take you guys in the water. Hopefully my phone don't fall in the water, because that would be a serious problem. So yeah, just grab a snack and watch the video.
And look how videos we hit in the bag.
And who this gift from? Daniela?
Yeah. I just put shoes on me.
What a word. I don't even know what it is, but what a word. I don't know what it is.
It's like a thing you could build to party, I guess, for something.
Oh.
That is cute. We love it. Merry Christmas, guys.
Thank you.
Everybody watching that people?
Hopefully my phone don't fall outside, but you know, everything's cool.
You might want to like hold it.
Pop the window a little bit.
I can't even see myself.
Hold on. We got a car passing. How come now that I want to leave?
Everybody and their mother.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
So we're on our way to the beach, and I'm not gonna tell y'all which beach we're going because then y'all gonna know where I live, and then y'all gonna come stop me. And to be very careful with like where to see for real though.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Them niggas. Jeez.
Oh, I didn't finish the video.
Why Pana watching the car? Like you see something you like.
I don't.
Okay.
Do I feel like everybody like they wanna watch us today?
I know we have some beautiful
Jeez.
women in here.
Yeah, man.
But like, come on.
Like, don't stare.
Watching me. What is there to see? Yeah, I just rhymed.
You make another song? Yeah, 77 already. Stop there.
The key right.
Oh, that breeze. That breeze just hit me one time. Oh. Them gonna be hot as well.
Okay, I guess I'm not the only one that wears socks.
I never wear socks.
I cold. That's why I wear socks. Oh.
Four.
Anything else?
I spent $4 on this juice, guys. $4. I leaned my $4 back. I could have swear this thing was $2.50. You know, give it a little chance with the 50 cents. This better tastes like the best drink on earth.
Why is Connor watching me?
I mean, it probably was worth $4.
I have to go.
He alone.
Is he winning?
Oh,
Yeah?
Is he winning somehow?
I stuffy bad.
Me too. Well, the person is big. Real vlogging.
Get it in!
Okay, we're on the beach now. I never wear this. Yeah, my belly looks.
It's cute though.
I can't even see the phone.
Cute! Okay,
Let me stop.
Okay. I was like, where am I?
We can't see a thing on the
Come over here. Come
Hello.
over here. Everybody.
Why my hairline look like it receded?
Damn. Girl, stop it.
That's a mess.
That's so awkward. Every time I did a thumbnail, it'll be awkward. Anyway. Surprisingly, the sun ain't hot. Well, not surprisingly, I like. Okay, look at bench. Look at bench. Stand this up. No, you done it. Dude, if this thing fall in the water, I will never forgive myself. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Hopefully nothing in my pockets. Let me. Jeez! I walk in, but like I feel like I still on the show. Oh! Oh! That wave was too big. Jeez! Okay. To be baptized. Oh, this water cold. This water is cold. This water is cold. Hopefully, my phone won't get wet. I just hope that. I'm holding it as high as I can. I don't think they're coming today. They're coming today or tomorrow. It might fall, I swear. I tell you I won't come in inside. I saw these man coming inside. I tell you I won't come in inside.
Like I'm making my presence known.
Take pictures. You got food on it? No, the camera. No, don't have me. I shy.
Look away.
I shy.
Yeah, you can do a little look away.
It worked.
Let me see. What should I do?
You can do a little. Let me see. What did you?
Okay, I could do it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now that looks good.
It's going to develop.
How many times are you supposed to shake it?
But you can leave it there.
I started to see it.
Come out here.
Oh!
You have to look through here. And then this is the big bracket.
Yuck, I look ugly. My belly look big.
Dirty.
Let me see how this one. I gotta hide my stomach. I don't know if y'all can see that. I didn't hide my stomach. But this is cool though. This is cool. I didn't hide my stomach though.
My whole journey is in that
I kind of like this one, regardless of my stomach. But like, it eats. Like, take out the stomach and it eats. Gotta lose that stomach this next year.
Same here.
Okay, we all heading in the water now. So,
Okay, y'all ready?
yeah, we ready now?
Yeah.
Let's go. Everybody's there. Dog! Okay. I think, you know, let me hold it closer. Because oh, I'm basically in the water now, basically, for the most. At this point, I just recorded stripping this because I don't know.
I'm scared to go any lower.
The wave's big.
I don't like that wave coming.
Y'all see that wave coming? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Dog! Okay. I done. I'm putting this phone up there. I'm putting this phone up there.
Many sons, many sons has Father Abraham. I am one of them.
I look so crazy! Oh my god.
Okay,
So let's just pray. Wait, what happened?
So let's just praise the Lord.
Right hand,
Father Abraham,
Right hand,
many sons, many sons, and Father Abraham, and I am one of them.
yeah.
And so are you.
Oh, really?
Yes. So let's just what?
Praise the Lord.
Left hand.
I thought it was right hand first.
Left hand,
Right hand, left foot,
head up, head down, head up.
head down. Father Abraham. What he said?
How many sons?
Had many what?
How many Abraham?
I am one of
I
them.
am.
And so are you. And so are you.
Something to us.
Praise the Lord. Right hand, right foot, left foot, head up, head down, turn on.
I don't think we can turn around in the car.
Yeah. I remember I went to a church.
Oh, here we go. Story time.
Bathroom.
Story time.
Is that Mr. David?
Oh, that is a bathroom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's
right
go
there.
over there.
Yeah.
Hey, twin. Go drop us over.
Look the officer there. He was stopping me.
Dude,
I think I go do this. Ain't nothing.
think
Do not
again.
enter one way.
Huh?
You can't enter.
One way.
You gotta go
going-
around.
No, I'm going that way.
Yeah.
I'm not going there.
So do not enter.
Can't enter in here. Have to go this way.
You see
I
my
can't.
sign?
I can't just go right there.
No. Ain't no parking here.
Okay.
But in the parking we trying to do.
We in trouble.
I told you to come for me.
Trouble, trouble, trouble.
Bruh.
I knew you were in trouble when you walked in. Shame on me.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold
You're
on.
just trying to change.
We're just trying to change.
Exactly.
I just like
Let me
We
just.
just officer's head.
Nobody got time for this.
Literally, what's with all the instruction? Acting like they doing the job.
Wait before he come and give me a ticket for.
I really hate when them man pretend to do the job like
Why you need to
like
officer?
like they don't do it every day.
Do not.
Them man racist. They black but they racist. Feeling long next and. God, it looks so rough. Jesus.
Oh, you see.
Like my edge is gone. Like it disappear. My follower is not a follower anymore. Anyways, guys, so we came to this spot that sells donuts and ice cream and milkshakes and da 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 da. So I got a donut and we're gonna try it together. Oh my god, I'm not finishing this. It's like it's really big. Let's see how it is.